your clothes. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. On top of that, we gotta see 'em in your team. Look at your crown.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's It Girl Nay. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've already been here, welcome back to the gang, okay? And I'm so thankful that you guys came back or you guys are watching. If you did not already, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. You can tell me what you guys think about these shoes that I'm going to be showing you guys. These are some oldies but some goodies. Okay, some oldies but some goodies. And one of these shoes is my favorite pair of 11s that I've ever owned. But I have not worn them because they're really not my size. And I've been trying to convince myself that in my mental, like, that they're my size. But every time I want to wear them, I'm like, I'm not going to wear them. I'm not going to be in pain. Okay? So let's just start with the first oldie but goodie. So these here are the Red 11s in 2019 pair. I actually have a pair of these on sale. These are mine, but I have a pair on sale on StockX. If you want a pair, you can DM me. DM me on Instagram, or you can write a comment below. They're size 5.5, just like mine. So these are mine. And this colorway for me is always gonna be a drip. I don't care if it's back from 1987 to 2000 to 2019 to 2028, 2028. Like, these shoes will always be a drip for me. Like, I love the red. Everybody knows I love red, black, and white. So it's just like, these are so classic. Like, if you do not have these shoes in your collection, what is your collection, Pooh? Like, what is it? Why is it there? Like, if you do not have a pair of Jordans that's red, black, and white, especially these right here, these reds is everything. Like, I have other ones, but like, these is like a must-have, I would say, just because the colorway. Like, just look at the shoe. Just look at that. And the stitching on this right here is so nice. Like I told you guys about the other shoe, I do like how they make this chrome on another shoe. But of course they're not going to do that on these because these are classics. Like I told you guys, these are shoes that everyone should have. Like, I wish you guys have bought them, but I've worn these. But I said these are oldies but goodies. Mine's are slightly dirty. Yeah, just a little. Can you guys even see that? Just a little bit. And these came with just a little note. It didn't come with nothing spectacular. Like, you know, sometimes you have those kits, but it just comes with telling you what this shoe is. Air Jordan is one of the most iconic silhouettes in the history of sneakers. This season, Jordan brand celebrates this model, delivering detailed craftsmanship, honoring MJ's first Triple Crown run. So, like I told you, these are a very special colorway. Like, these shoes, if you do not have them, if you do not have this colorway, get away, Pooh. Just get away from me, okay? Get away from me. But yeah, so this instant classic will leave you saying, it's gotta be the shoes, Pooh. It's the shoes for me. And that's just how I feel about these shoes. These are a classic shoe. It's a must-have. Like, I will never skip this shoe. I will always rock it and drip it. Drip it like my life depends on it, okay? So that's these. And then I'll just show you them, both shoes, because I told you we're doing oldies but goodies today. So the next shoe I'm going to be showing you, I think it almost has to be my favorite pair of 11s. For the fact that, first of all, I told y'all my favorite colors. And I told y'all, I told you guys that sparkles is my favorite colors. So, like I said, you're not going to tell me sparkle is not a color, okay? And these shoes right here, but so hard. But I ain't worn them because, like I told you, they're the wrong size. Okay, so this is the top. It comes in a white box. That's how exclusive they is. They come in a white box. It's still, even the plastic is still on there. This is exclusive here. Exclusive. Okay, so I take it off. Dun, 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 dun. Got the receipt here. Oh my gosh. Every time I open this box, I want to cry because, like, I love these shoes. These are my favorite. Okay, let's just... And I actually have these for sale on StockX too if you want them. You can just hit me below. Or you can send me a DM on Instagram at itgirl_nay. But just look at that. Oh my gosh, the sparkle on this shoe. Look, I don't even need to speak when you see me walking in these shoes. Don't speak to me. If I wear these, don't talk to me. You're not on my level, okay? Do not say a word, okay? When I walk in these, you need to ask to speak, okay? Do not just speak, raise your hand. That's how I feel about these shoes. Like, look at that. Oh. Like, I love everything about these shoes. I still got this. Like, I can't even... Well, experience will not affect the performance. Okay. Like, I just can't. Like, look at these shoes. Like, if you got these in your closet, if you got my size, let's trade and you never wore them. These are a 5. These are a 7, I think. These are a 7 and I need a 7.5. Like, but I'm at this point, I'm dating there ready and say I'm gonna keep them. I will fight like I told y'all about those one other shoes. Like, it was not worth fighting the pain. Like, I feel like that's a skip. First of all, if I didn't let y'all know already, this is a drip. I'm not flipping, I'm not skipping. I don't care how much money this makes me, okay? This is a drip. Like, this is a drip. Like, it's no way I'm gonna flip these for no amount of money. Because, like, I think they're going for like 5 something. But I am so obsessed with these shoes. And the only reason I listed them is because, like, I really can't fit them. But, like, if I don't get the number I want, your girl will just be in pain, okay? I'll just be in pain. I went for like an hour, go to like, give me a drink, or like, go to the bar or something, like where you sit down most of the time. So you ain't even gotta think about the pain. Because poo, like, I cannot let these go unless it's for the right price. And then on top of that, will I even be able to let them go? Like, this is like a shoe, like, okay, I'm gonna bring them to you. And then I bring them and you be like, here's money. And I'm like, oh, I don't want to give these away. Like, these shoes are almost these are like my favorite Jordans that I've ever. It's just like the way, I don't even know if you guys are seeing it, the way it's hitting in here. Because I have the light right there. So, like, I see you guys see it glistening. But do y'all see what I see? Like, and then the shoe is just so crispy white. And then I got the gray on the bottom. It's like that icy gray where it's like see-through. So then it just make everything about the shoe. And then I like the way the Jumpman, he's like not chrome. He's like matte silver. Like, so it go with that. Let me just bring that in closely. Right there. He like matte. Like, I would give anything to have these shoes in a 7.5. Like, why can I find, and I don't know. So these, again, these are my oldie but goodie. These are my favorite. I can actually tell you when I bought these, when these came out. 2009, it's been a year. Oh my gosh. I got these December 3rd, 2019. And I ended up getting these on a fluke. Like, they did like a random second drop. Because the first drop sold out. They did a random second drop. And the reason I ended up getting the wrong size, because they let me initially buy 2 shoes. Like, I did 2 separate orders. One was a 7, one was a 7.5. And they ended up canceling one. And just my luck, they canceled the 7.5. And they sent me this effing 7 that your girl cannot even fit. Like, why y'all do me like that? Who did this to me anyways? I think it was Shoe Palette. No, it says Foot Locker. Foot Locker, why y'all do me like that? Let me know. Because I don't like that. I feel like they should have called me and been like, there was a mistake, like you can't order two, which shoe do you want? Or like an email could have been sent, but I didn't get no email, no phone call, no text. Y'all got my number, y'all got my email. It was just real shady. And that's what happened with these shoes, because like if it hadn't been for that, I would have been flexed on these hoes. Been flexing. Been right there. Been flexing on these hoes. Okay? But in the paper, it says 23. I just love the packaging for this shoe. Like, I love the white box, white paper with the silver, like, spark metallic 23s on there. This packaging is just everything. Like, it just really sucks that Foot Locker did me like that. But like I said, this is an oldie but goodie. If y'all like this videos, if y'all like, I feel like I didn't even tell y'all what shoes these was. Let me know if I said it. These is the Jordan 11 white metallic silver. They only came in women's sizes. I don't know if I said it to you guys. And let me just give you guys a slow-mo. Ooh, I see. Reverse. Nah, but I really love this shoe. And yeah, those are my two oldies but goodies. If you like a video like this, let me know. I have so many shoes, it's not even funny. It's really not funny. So these are some oldies but goodies. If you like this video, I can do some more of those for you. These are the shoes side by side. Amazing classic pair with a head. These busting on you too. Sorry, I really love these shoes. These are really my favorite. Like, when I tell y'all, I will go to bat for these shoes. Don't play with me. Even though I can't feel them, I will go to bat. Okay, and these colorways I told y'all, classic. It's a must-have. So yeah, if you liked this video, it's almost like the lighting is off because they so white you can't really see them. If you like this video, it's right here's a picture. Say pose for the camera. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe below. Follow me on Instagram, itgirl_nay. If you want me to do more videos, unboxing videos, or you want me to do like electronics or something like that, let me know in the description and I will do those. I was thinking about doing an Apple, the over-the-ear headphones review, but I haven't quite decided on that. If you guys want to see it, let me know. Thanks for watching this oldie but goodie, baby. Baby. I don't know why I'm being extra. Bye. Thanks for watching.